Hey guys, really quick, if you've been following any of my other videos, you know that I've been on this weight loss journey, so still trying to lose weight. I am happy to announce I am down 14 pounds. Now it's 14 pounds in 5 weeks, so that may not be a lot to a lot of people or whatever, but it's slow progress, but it's healthy progress, and I'm gonna stick with it. I'm telling y'all, meal prepping has worked for me.
How y'all feel out there?
And subscribe. Hey y'all, this is week 5. Well, actually, it's week 6 in my meal prepping. 2 weeks kind of don't count because I was on vacation for 2 weeks in Europe, so I didn't meal prep, but I still got a lot of walking in, so it balanced me out. So for today, I am going to make some salmon. So for my side, I'm doing, I can hear my son in the back yelling. He's playing a game. For my sides, I'm doing just a mixed vegetable medley. So I'm doing some spinach and some peppers and some mushrooms. For everybody else side, I'm gonna do some rice. Disclaimer, this is not gonna be the making from scratch. But you're still making it, so you still get to know what you're putting in there. So anyways, we are going to make some salmon. I'm going to layer it with like a spicy mango sauce. So I'm going to use some cayenne pepper and some chili with the mango sauce. Even with that, now I would make that from scratch, but the store was out of mangoes, so it was some pre-made mango salsa in the deli. So I took that. I'm just going to add a couple of ingredients. I'm going to add some onions and peppers and some red peppers and cayenne pepper to it. So we're gonna get started. So we got our salmon in the pan. I'm preheating my oven to 365. So, and another thing with me too is I probably overcook some stuff because I like to make sure that my stuff is done. So I'm putting this on 365, and this salmon, they always say, I know they be like, salmon don't need to cook that long. Salmon can cook for 20-30 minutes. Mine is gonna cook for like 40. It don't be overcooking to me, and I make sure that it's done. So I pour a little olive oil on mine. All right, rub it in. Yeah, this pan, y'all see my pan? This pan been seen a lot of action. So again, I like to do a lot of stuff that if you watch any of my other videos, it's always a lot of stuff that anybody can do. Everybody don't have a gourmet kitchen with gourmet utensils and stuff like that. I don't. I have, I have what I need to do what I want. So my videos is going to reflect that. Once you finish putting your olive oil on, then you add your seasoning. I'm just using Morton seasoned salt, garlic pepper, Italian seasoning, and cilantro. Just those 4 seasoning. So I'm adding my seasoning salt. I'm going to add it and flip it over and add it on both sides. And then we're going to be good to go. This is cooking for, a mom cooking. When you work full time, you own a business, and you have kids and stuff that you got to make sure to eat, all while making sure you carve out time for yourself, then you want to use some of these processes to speed up your cooking. Now we're ready for our mixed vegetables. I'm doing spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, onions, peppers, and mushrooms. Add your seasoning to your vegetables. Mix it all up really good. It's going to taste so good. All right, so while we got the salmon cooking, our mixed vegetables cooking, we are going to work on our mango salsa that's going to go across, that we're going to smother the salmon with. So again, they didn't have mango, so I would have done this from scratch. But this sweet heat mango peach salsa, really good. I always get it. So I'm going to try it with this today. If you want to make the mango salsa spread from scratch, all you need is some mangoes, some pineapples, some peaches, and then you want to chop those up, puree some of it just a little bit so you can get a little bit of liquefy to it. You want to add your onions, your various peppers, and your seasoning. I use chili powder, I use cayenne pepper, I use crushed red peppers, and I use a little bit of seasoning salt if I'm making it from scratch. I like the mango and the peach because it gives it like a, with the peppers, it gives it like a, okay, mango, peach, tomatoes, onions, jalapeno peppers, and cilantro. I love cilantro. I like the mangoes and the peaches and the peppers because it gives it a sweet taste. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, and here I got some more mixed vegetables and some pineapples that I heated up. I want to add the pineapples to give it even a more of a sweet taste. So we're just gonna put this over in there. Our mixed vegetables are done. See the smoke coming up off of there. You're going to pour your salsa over your salmon, put it back in the oven for 5 minutes uncovered. And now you're done. You have your mango, peach, pineapple salmon with your veggies and you're ready to eat. We're using paper plates because people don't like to wash dishes around here.
The spinach.
So that's spinach and mushrooms and peppers. How was that? How's the salmon? Mango, peach salmon. You like it?